Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing focus. Pick 1 or 2 niches and a clear client avatar because specificity shortens sales cycles. Once done, assemble 3 strong portfolio pieces showing before/after value, duration, and deliverables so prospects see outcomes. Then build a 1-page pitch that lists service tiers, ballpark pricing, and a 30-60 day timeline. This lets you respond immediately to leads. Make sure your contact method and CTA are prominent so inquiries convert into booked calls. Next, create a repeatable outreach system that uses 2 channels, email sequences and LinkedIn messages, to increase touchpoints without spamming. Make 5 personalized contacts daily, logging responses in a simple CRM so nothing falls through the cracks. Offer a short 15 to 20-minute discovery call and include a low-risk sample deliverable or concept sketch to demonstrate capability. As you iterate, refine subject lines, message hooks, and timing based on which sequences produce calls and which stall. To close, follow a 3-step approach. Summarize needs, send a concise proposal, and lock a next action with a calendar invite so momentum stays intact. Collect a deposit and execute a simple contract. Mention billing terms and whether you need Form 1099 details for accounting. If deals dry up, troubleshoot by auditing your chosen niche, swapping in more relevant portfolio pieces, and testing new outreach copy or channels. Recalibrate quickly so you turn lessons into new booked clients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.